know you're tired already. Alam kong pagod ka na. You're tired of fighting for your health. Tired of fighting for your family. I know most of you are tired already of fighting paulit-ulit. Mahirap pa rin kami, walang nangyayari. Hindi pa rin niya ako mapansin, wala pa rin validation. But always remember the battle that you are in is not your battle. The battle that you're in is the Lord's battle. Si Lord ang kasama mo, He will fight for you. Napansin niyo ba that sometimes, instead of you choosing the battle is choosing you. Parang ikaw pinipili. Parang, kaya ko ba talaga yan, Lord? Sure ka ba? Kasi parang kung tayo na makakapili ng problema, hindi mo naman kasi pipiliin yung mahirap eh. Naisip niyo ba yung buhay na kayo pumipili? I want this problem. I want this problem. Parang siya sabi, I want this problem. Ano yung mga January dumating na, huwag mo February, fully na ako. Sometimes that problem will choose you. Sa dami-dami na pwede magkakanser, ba't ikaw? Sa dami-dami na pwede maghirap, ba't ikaw? Sa dami-dami na pwede magkasakit, ba't ako? Kapit-bahay ko, Lord. 20 years lang dapat mamatay yun. Ako talaga? Halalang kaalaman nun, Lord. Tapos ako lagi nga sa church. 3 p.m. service, 10 o'clock lang din na ako. Bakit naman ako, Lord? Kasi madalas hindi ka makakapili ng laban. Pero hindi ka man makakapili ng laban, pero sana piliin mo pa rin lumaban. Look, I know God, you are with me. And I know that I am not in this battle alone. Whenever you are waiting, whenever you are fighting your way for that breakthrough, fighting your way for that promise, always remember,